Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys doing well. Masala pav needs no introduction to the folks from Mumbai. But for the ones who are looking at it for the first time, it is another finger licking street food of Mumbai, very similar to pav bhaji but made with quite a few ingredients. So simple that even kids, teenagers, and bachelors can whip it up within minutes. As usual, ingredients in the description. We start off by melting some butter on a pan or a tawa like it's traditionally made. Spreading the butter across nicely all over the pan. Once the butter melts, we add finely chopped onions, followed by finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies as per your taste preferences, and finely chopped capsicum. Now if your chopping skills are not all that good, never mind, you can chop these vegetables roughly. We are going to mash them up like the pav bhaji at the end anyways. In goes ginger and garlic paste according to your taste, mixing it up all very well. We saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding up our dry spices. Our onions are already translucent, as you can see. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and of course the most important, pav bhaji masala, a generous scoop of pav bhaji masala, followed by salt to taste. Mixing it all up very well, we saute for another minute. The mixture, as you can see, looks very dry at this moment, and we do need to cook or soften the capsicum and tomatoes. So we add some amount of water, reduce the heat, and allow the vegetables to soften or cook for about 2 minutes. Now while that is done and there is some moisture left, which is very important, the bhaji or the mixture shouldn't be dry completely. We finish off quickly by adding coriander leaves and a good amount of lemon juice to spruce up the taste. Keep the heat low so that the mixture doesn't dry out completely. Like you can see, our bhaji is all done. Like the pav bhaji, we mash it at the end carefully and nicely, and then we scrape or push the mixture onto one side or one corner of the pan, and like the street style, we toast our bread by melting another portion of butter on the other side of the pan, melting it up nicely and adding the paws one by one and toasting the paws from all the sides and within, like you can see. This way the pav does get the butter and the flavor of the bhaji. We are done with the cooking. Switch off the gas and scoop out a good amount of bhaji into the paws. All set to be served with chopped onions and lemon wedges. Wasn't that simple? Do give it a shot and let me know in the comments as to how the recipe worked for you. If you like my recipes, foodies, do like and share my videos with your family and friends. Do take good care of yourself and hope to see you all very soon with another recipe. New viewers, to stay tuned, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell to stay tuned. See you soon, foodies. Bye bye.